Hey guys, what's up? It's Jay. We are back in the shop today for our continuing series on keys to the shop. Some of the systems I've built and or bought that have helped my workflow. So today we're going to talk about drill bit organization and what I've done to help me with that. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe below, smash that like button, use our affiliate links in Amazon, that helps our channel out, and also you can hit the bell and that lets you know when we drop a new video. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's get to it. All right, guys, so what you're going to need, there's a couple different ways you could do it. Of course, you can just use 2x4s. I had an old piece of cutting board laying around. The idea is you want something with a little thickness to it. 3/4 plywood probably isn't thick enough because we need to drill down into the material to support the drill bit. 3/4 will probably be too short. The drill bit would be all wonky. So you need something with a little thickness. Obviously, probably the cheapest way to do it is a 2x4. So you also need a drill press, or you can do it with a hand drill, cordless drill. You don't have to have a drill press, but we're standing here by mine, so we're going to show you how we do it. So whatever size drill bit you guys want to put into your holder, just put in your cordless drill or your drill press. So that's probably not deep enough. We want to be halfway to 3/4 through. But your drill bit will rest in here. This one happens to have a taper on it, little tapered step down here. So this one, and then whatever size you're going to use, you would drill your hole. And if you want to make it really fancy, you can measure out equidistant lines and make them line up perfect. You don't have to. So if they're a straight shank like this system will work. If it's a step down shank, you'll have to measure the diameter of the step down versus the actual bit and get yourself some calipers. That's the best way to do it. So this one, the hole for this one should be a little bit smaller because of the step down. But if they're a straight bit, which most bits are, you can just drill it with that bit. And what I found too is sometimes the end of the bit is a little tight, so you can go a fraction bigger on the bit, or you can, as you drill, you can sort of wiggle the wood around a little bit. Or you can just put them in face down. And that's pretty much, the way you would store your drill bit. I have one that was already made that I wound up buying, so you can get an idea here. These holes aren't perfectly spaced, but I can grab bits quickly without going through my drill index. You could get fancy and label the front if you have a laser engraver or P-Touch or magic marker, just so you know which size you're grabbing. That has worked out pretty good for me. I plan on making some fancier ones that are equally spaced and look nicer. But for now, the ones I have are working. So this was another one that I purchased that the fella who had the drill press prior to me had. There's some machinist bits in here, and this one's double layered. So I guess you could do something like that as well. He just looked like some sort of plastic for a spacer in here. That's another way you could achieve the same result. So that's quick and dirty drill bit storage, and it's worked out well for me. Like I said, eventually I want to make some better looking ones, maybe out of this cutting board, do some equally spaced stuff, maybe even stain it. I don't know if I'm going to get that crazy. So I hope that was helpful for you guys for quick and easy drill bit access and storage. And until next time, we will talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, Smash the like button, affiliate links, and ring the bell so you know when we're dropping a video. We'll see you next time, guys. Always create.